Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Flow channel, where learning English is calm, practical, and part of real life. I'm Anna, and today's lesson is very special because many of you asked for it after one of my recent videos. Many people ask me, Anna, please make a full lesson with English chunks, and Anna, we want more chunking practice. So today that is exactly what we are going to do. In this lesson, I will share a big collection of powerful English chunks that can help you speak more naturally and more fluently. The goal is simple. I do not want you to build every sentence word by word in your head. I want you to start hearing English in groups, in patterns, in ready-made pieces that real people use every day. That is what a chunk is. A chunk is a group of words that native speakers use again and again. When you learn chunks, your English becomes faster, smoother, and more natural. You stop translating so much and you start speaking in a more relaxed way. Today I have divided this lesson into 3 parts. First, we will do easy chunks that are perfect for beginners. Then we will move to intermediate chunks that you can use in daily conversations. And finally, we will look at more advanced chunks that help you sound more fluent, more confident, and more expressive. Please stay with me until the end because this lesson is going to give you a lot of useful English for real life. And while you listen, I want you to repeat after me whenever you can. Even if you are alone, repeat. Your mouth needs practice, not only your ears. And one more thing before we begin. In the comments, tell me what kind of English lesson you want next. Do you want more chunks, more phrasal verbs, more real conversations, or more vocabulary for daily life? I always read your ideas, and your feedback helps me make better lessons for you. Alright, let's begin with part 1. Part 1 is all about easy English chunks for beginners. These are short, simple, useful chunks that you can start using immediately. Repeat after me. How are you? How's everything? How are things? What's going on? What's happening? Nice to see you. Good to see you. It's nice to meet you. How have you been? I'm doing fine. I'm okay. I'm doing okay. I'm great. I'm very well. Not too bad. Could be better. Same old, same old. See you soon. See you later. Talk soon. Talk later. Catch you later. Have a good one. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Enjoy your day. Good luck today. Good night. Sleep tight. I'm coming. I'm almost there. I'm on the way. I'm on my way. I'm leaving now. I'm heading home. Just a second. 1 second, please. Give me a minute. Hold on a moment. Wait right here. Come with me. Come on in. Please sit down. Make yourself comfortable. Stand over there. Let's begin. Let's do this. Let's move on. Let's continue. I don't know. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I'm not certain. I don't understand. I understand now. I get it now. I don't get it. That makes sense. Say that again. Can you repeat that? Can you explain that? Speak a little slower. What does that mean? What are you saying? That's true. That's correct. That's not true. That's not correct. I think so. I don't think so. Maybe yes. Maybe not. I agree with you. I don't agree. You're right. You're wrong. Me too. Me neither. Same here. That's right. Thank you. Thanks so much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. That's very kind. You're welcome. No problem at all. It's my pleasure. Anytime. Don't mention it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That's my fault. My bad. I didn't mean that. Sorry about that. It's okay. That's okay. No worries. Don't worry. Forget about it. No way. Really now? Are you serious? Are you sure? Of course. Sure thing. Definitely. Why not? Sounds good. That sounds nice. That sounds great. Very nice. Well done. Good for you. Good job. That's amazing. That's wonderful. I like that. I love that. I don't like it. I don't want it. I hate that. It's fine. It's all right. It's not okay. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm exhausted. I'm busy right now. I'm free now. I'm ready now. I'm not ready yet. Let's eat. Let's go. Let's head out. Come inside. Go outside. Hurry up. Take your time. Slow down. Turn around. Go left. Go right. Go straight ahead. Excuse me. Can you help me? What is this? What is that? How much is this? Where are you now? Where is the station? Where is the bathroom? What time is it now? What's your name? That was part 1, our easy chunks. If some of these felt simple, that is good. Simple chunks are powerful because you use them all the time. Now let's move to part 2, intermediate chunks. These are a little longer and a little richer. They help you sound more natural in everyday conversations. Repeat after me. How have things been? What have you been doing lately? It's been a long time. How's everything going? Everything is going well. Nothing special? I'm doing pretty well. That sounds reasonable. I completely understand. I'm not sure about that. I'm having doubts. What exactly do you mean? Could you explain a bit more? Can you be more specific? That's really interesting. Tell me a little more. I'm looking forward to that. I can't wait for that. I'm so excited about it. I'm about to go. I'm about to start. I'll deal with it. I'll take care of that. I'll let you know soon. I'll keep you updated. Please keep me posted. Let me know what happens. Let me think for a second. Let me have a look. I'll be there soon. I'll be right over. I'll get back to you later. I'll call you in a bit. Let's take a short break. Let's stop here for now. When is the deadline? When do you need it? I need a little more time. That part isn't clear to me. I don't fully get it yet. Can I be part of it? Can I join you? Let's do it together. Let's work on it together. I'll send it over. I'll email it to you. I'm in a rush. I'm running a bit late. I'm short on time today. Let's try one more time. Let's give it another try. Don't worry about that. It's not a huge problem. I can handle this. I think I can manage. That's a smart idea. That's a great suggestion. We need a different plan. We need a backup plan. I'm proud of you. I'm really happy for you. I feel the same way. That's exactly how I feel. I'm really excited. I'm absolutely thrilled. That helps a lot. That's extremely useful. That's driving me crazy. That really annoys me. I can't believe that. That's hard to believe. Do you want to hang out? Let's spend some time together. I'm free this weekend. I don't have any plans. Would you like to join us? Would you like to come along? It's my treat. This one's on me. Let's grab some coffee. Let's get something to drink. That sounds like fun. That sounds like a good plan. I need to buy a ticket. One ticket, please. What time does it leave? What time is the departure? I'm just looking around. I'm only browsing today. Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in a medium? Do you have a larger size? Could I get a discount? Can you lower the price a bit? I really appreciate that. I'm truly grateful. My apologies. Please don't mention it. It was nothing really. That's very thoughtful. That's so kind of you. I owe you one. You really saved me today. You helped me out a lot. Stay in touch. Don't disappear on me. Keep it up. You're doing really well. Don't give up now. Keep moving forward. Practice makes progress. Keep going. Keep practicing every day. Very good. Those are intermediate chunks that you can use in daily life, with friends, at work, while shopping, while traveling, or in normal conversations. Now, we are ready for part 3, advanced chunks. These chunks are more natural, more fluent, and a little more elegant. They are very useful when you want to express ideas clearly and sound more confident. Repeat after me. As far as I know, to the best of my knowledge, as far as I'm concerned, from my point of view, in my experience, to be honest with you, to tell you the truth, honestly speaking. If I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong. I may be wrong, but believe it or not, the main point is, the thing is, what I mean is, what I'm trying to say is, in other words, to put it another way, as a matter of fact, in my opinion, from my perspective. On the other hand, having said that, at the same time, to some extent, to a certain extent, for the time being, at the end of the day, in the long term, as soon as possible, at your earliest convenience, sooner or later, more or less, little by little, step by step, bit by bit, day by day, gradually, once in a while, from time to time, every now and then, over and over again, out of nowhere, out of the blue, all of a sudden, on my own, by myself, for good, for the long run, permanently, for sure, without a doubt, definitely, for real, at all costs, no matter what, on purpose, by mistake, by accident, without meaning to. To be honest, to be frank, to put it bluntly, it doesn't really matter, it makes no difference, it's not a big deal, it's not worth it, it's not good enough, that's out of the question, that's completely unacceptable. I see what you mean, I get your point, I take your point, I know exactly what you mean, I haven't got a clue, I have absolutely no idea, I can't make it, I won't be able to come, I can't afford it, it's way too expensive, I can't believe it, that's unbelievable, I can't help it, I have no control over it, I can't stand it, I really can't stand that, I can't wait to see you, I'm really looking forward to it, I'd love to, I'd be delighted to, I'd really appreciate that, I would be very grateful, I'm counting on you, I'm relying on you, I'm working on it, I'm dealing with it, I'm thinking it over, I'm considering it carefully, I'm trying to figure it out, I'm trying to solve the problem, I'm looking forward to seeing you, I can hardly wait to meet you. That was part 3, our advanced chunks. These are the kinds of chunks that help you sound smoother, more confident, and more natural in serious conversations, in meetings, in discussions, and in real adult English. Now let's slow down for a moment and think about what we did today. We practiced easy chunks, intermediate chunks, and advanced chunks. And the big idea is this. When you learn English in chunks, you stop building every sentence from zero. You begin to speak faster because your brain already knows the pattern. You begin to understand faster because you hear these groups of words again and again. And most importantly, you begin to sound more natural. So please do not try to memorize all of these chunks in one day. That is not the goal. The goal is to choose some chunks, repeat them often, and start using them in your real life. Here is a simple way to practice. Choose 5 easy chunks, 5 intermediate chunks, and 3 advanced chunks. Write them down. Read them out loud every day. Use them in your own example sentences. If possible, record your voice and listen to yourself. That kind of practice is much more powerful than just watching once and forgetting everything tomorrow. You can also create small daily themes. For example, one day practice greeting chunks, another day practice opinion chunks, another day practice apology chunks, another day practice time expressions. Chunk by chunk, your English becomes stronger. And remember, fluency does not come only from grammar rules. Fluency comes from repeated patterns. That is why chunking is so powerful. You are not only learning words, you are learning how English really moves. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to English Flow channel, and tell me in the comments what kind of lesson you want next. Also, write 1 or 2 chunks from today that you want to start using this week. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and little by little, chunk by chunk, your English will become more natural, more fluent, and more confident. See you in the next lesson.